Ready to unlock the power of seamless and secure mobile payments with Apple Pay? The very first step is creating a directory structure on your server. You will want to create a directory named well-known at the root level of your website's hosting environment. Make sure that you include the period at the beginning of the name, as it is important. Next, inside this newly created well-known directory, place the Apple Pay verification file. The name of this file must be exactly Apple developed Standard ACAD. This file is provided by Apple and contains the specific code necessary to verify that you own the domain. Secure your site with a valid SSL certificate, as Apple Pay requires all communications to be encrypted and active and correctly configured. SSL certificate ensures that data transmitted during Apple Pay transactions is protected. Confirm that the file is accessible by entering the complete URL into your web browser and then check your server's HTTP response. The URL should look something like this: your domain.com/wellknown/Apple Developer Merchant id domain. Association TXT. A successful setup will return an HTTP 200 OK status code. Now, you're ready to complete the domain verification process within your Apple developer account. This is a crucial step to let Apple know you have properly configured your domain. With these steps, you can confidently integrate Apple Pay, offering your customers a secure and convenient payment method.